American Autowire manufactures original replacement factory fit wiring, as well as a vehicle-specific classic update kit for the 1968 Camaro. Factory fit wiring is best used for a true concourse restoration, while a classic update kit is the perfect choice for a resto mod bill. Factory fit wiring will support original gauge cluster options, while the classic update will accommodate original or aftermarket equipment. The Tic Toc Tac is a factory option that sometimes causes confusion for users of either style harness, but both types of wiring will easily work with the gauge. A Tic Toc Tac combines a tachometer and a clock. The tac is the outermost needle, with the clock residing in the center of the gauge. Since the gauge is performing multiple functions, it will receive power and signal from two different sources. The underdash wiring provides power to the factory printed circuit board for the instrument cluster. The circuit board also transmits the signal from the negative side of the ignition coil via the engine harness connection. This passes through to the dash wiring at the firewall bulkhead connector. Customers with either factory fit or classic update wiring can reuse their original printed circuit board for their gauges. A close inspection of the back of the gauge shows the clock portion does not share any connection with the printed circuit board. Instead, it will receive power from a dedicated battery feed built into the dash wiring. Vehicles that were equipped with a Tic Toc Tac from factory do not require any additional wiring to support the gauge, as required circuits will be included in an original replacement dash harness. Every classic update will also include this feed by default to make modifications or changes to equipment simple. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button and be sure to subscribe to the channel. You can also stay up to date with American Autowire by checking us out on Facebook, Car Buff Network, Instagram, and AmericanAutowire.com.